Right now, we're about to share 5 powerful steps with you that, if followed, will not take a full year to change your life. You will start seeing amazing life, changing results in just 3 to 6 months, and this comeback will be one that you've always dreamed of making. If you truly want this to be the greatest comeback of your life, then do not miss step number 4, because in that step, we're revealing something that will absolutely guarantee your comeback. These 5 steps are built on years of personal experience, deep research, and thousands of trials and failures. So if you're ready to make this year count, then the first thing you need to do is follow step 1. Step 1 is clarity. Take a screenshot of what you're seeing on screen right now, because we're about to show you exactly why this matters. The more clarity you have in your mind, the faster and more efficiently you will achieve your goals. But here's the problem. Most people know what they want, yet still get distracted. They go from one video to another trying to find motivation, but they never lock in. From now on, you're not going to be that person if you want a crystal clear vision and a mindset that stays focused for the next 365 days. Here's what you need to do. Take a blank sheet of paper, draw a line through the center, and divide it into 4 parts. Now ask yourself these 4 questions and answer them with complete honesty. If I were fearless and I knew I could not fail, what would I do? 1 year from now, what would make me feel most proud? What are 3 things I need to stop doing immediately? If someone else were in my situation, what advice would I give them? When you sit with yourself and write down these answers, your brain starts gaining clarity. The mental fog begins to lift, and you'll know exactly where to go, why you're going there, and how to get there. Everything happens twice, once in your mind and then in reality. So burn this vision into your thoughts and keep that paper with you. For the next year, whenever you feel lost, just read it, and you'll know what to do next. It will become your flashlight in the dark, keeping your path lit and your purpose sharp. Now let's talk about step 2, the magic of manifestation. You've probably heard that to stay focused on your goals, you should visualize them over and over again, using a vision board. That's true, but we're taking it one step further. Not only should you build a physical vision board, but you must also create a digital vision board that keeps your goals in front of you 24/7. We personally use a platform called Notion, where we set our goals, define our vision, and track our progress every day. And we'll tell you how to get our exact template at the end of this video. But even if you don't use Notion, you must create a digital board using Pinterest. Just save pins that represent your goals, things that inspire you and reflect the life you want to build. Once your board is ready, add a widget of it to your phone's home screen, so every time you unlock your phone, you're reminded of what you're working for, and slowly those images will begin to program your subconscious mind to act accordingly. Now that you've gained clarity and visualized your goals, it's time to move to step 3. Reverse engineer your action plan. Look at what's on screen right now, pause and read it carefully. Save it if you have to, because this system is the best way to accomplish anything. Whether your goal is health, wealth, relationships, or something else, the process remains the same. If you want to win the year, first win the month. To win the month, win the week, and to win the week, win today. Break your 1-year goal into small, achievable chunks. For example, if your goal is to build 12 kilograms of muscle or reduce body fat from 15 to 10%, that's your yearly target. Now break it down into monthly milestones. Gain 1 kilogram per month. Follow your diet plan 100%. Then break that down into weekly goals. Complete 4 workout sessions and spend 2 hours prepping your meals. Now break that into daily goals, like 1 hour of intense workout and consuming 120 grams of protein every day. And finally, take immediate Action right now, maybe write down your workout plan or pack your gym bag or create your meal schedule. Every goal becomes achievable with this method, but it's only possible if you don't skip step 4. Step 4, do not repeat the same mistakes. Here's a truth bomb. Out of all the people who set yearly goals, only 8% actually achieve them, the remaining 92% fail not because they didn't try, but because they kept making the same mistakes every year. They set new goals but repeat old habits, expecting different results. That's the exact loop that keeps most people stuck. We've been there too. We've made those mistakes. We've wasted time and we've failed repeatedly. But those experiences taught us what truly works. And we realized that if someone had just told us where we were going wrong back, then we could have achieved success so much sooner. So if you're serious about changing your life this year, stop making the same mistakes like poor time management, procrastination, lack of discipline, and focus zero. Control over your mind and constantly abandoning your goals halfway through. If you're done with that version of yourself, then join our Success Secret program. This isn't about selling you a course. It's about giving you the tools and systems we've used ourselves to escape those same traps and finally win. We've included a free Notion planner that we use daily to track growth and progress, and the feedback we've received from our members has been overwhelmingly positive. We've even added a limited time discount to make it easier for you to join. Check the link in the description and comments section before it expires. Again, we're not here to force you, we're here to guide you. We've spent years building this because we want people like you to stop wasting time and start winning faster. Now let's move to step 5, track your progress. Just like school or college exams break the next 365 days into 2 semesters every 6 months, you should see your personal report card and reflect on your growth. We personally use a habit tracking app called Habitbull. This is not a sponsored mention. We've used it for over 5 years because it helps us stay accountable with simple 30-day challenges. We don't focus too far ahead. Instead, we give ourselves one rule: never miss 2 days in a row. Start with a 7-day challenge from Monday to Saturday. Complete all your tasks that stick to your habits and routines. Then move to a full 30-day challenge. When you start completing challenges, you'll feel the results and stay motivated. Tracking your progress helps you see how far you've come and confirms that you are on the right path. If you're ready to guarantee you'll come back this time, then join our Success Secret program through the link in the description. And if this video inspired you, then like the video, subscribe to Mindfuel Daily, and turn on the bell notification so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.